Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are confused between Git and GitHub, then don't worry, you are not the only one. They sound similar, but they are very different. In this video, we will discuss what is Git and GitHub and the differences between them by breaking it down in a very beginner-friendly way. So after watching this video, you must have a clear understanding of Git and GitHub. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, let's discuss what is Git. Git is a version control system. In simple language, it is a tool that helps you track changes in your code and allow multiple developers to work on a same code base without messing things up. Suppose you accidentally delete a file or want to try something new without losing your old code, or you are working in a team and need to keep track of everyone's changes. Git solves all these problems. It helps you to go back to previous version of your project, see exactly what changes were made, by whom and when. In simple words, think Git as a save button in a video game. As in a video game, you click the save button to save your progress. The same way, when you make any changes in your code, you will enter a git command to save the changes made by you. And all this is done locally in your computer. It does not require internet. So this was all about Git. Now let's talk about GitHub. So GitHub is a cloud-based hosting platform for Git repositories. In simple terms, it's like a social media for code. GitHub allows you to upload your Git projects to the cloud, share them with others, and collaborate with developers around the world. It also allows contribution through a pull request. So in simple language, if Git is a tool, GitHub is a place where you can showcase your projects built with Git. So this was all about GitHub. So now let us discuss about the key differences between Git and GitHub. So here is a table that shows the key differences between both of them. It includes type, how it works, purpose of both of them, installation type, and the ownership. And yes, as a programmer, you need to learn both of them. Okay, so now let me show you a live demo of how Git and GitHub works. So now let us look at the live demonstration that I was talking about. So first of all, we will create a new folder on our desktop. So let us name it demo. Now we will open this folder in our VS Code. So now we have opened the folder that we have just now created in our VS Code. So now we will create a new file inside this folder. Let's name it index.html. So now let's try and write some few lines of codes in this folder. In this file, and then we will upload this particular folder into our GitHub. Let's give the title name demo or live demo. Okay, live demo. Let's write something like this is our first web page, something like this. Let us save it, and now we will upload this particular file into GitHub. Okay, let's do that. So this is my GitHub profile. You can see it. Now we will upload our file that was just made by us. So let's go to repositories. So we can create a new repositories from this page. Let's create a new repository. Let's name it demo. Okay. Now keep things public and don't need to add readme files. And now we will just click on create repositories. So after that, this kind of page will appear. So we have to click on creating new files or uploading an existing file. So let us click on uploading an existing file. So after clicking that, this kind of interface will come. So now you have to choose that particular file that was made by us. You just drag and drop it here. Okay. So okay, this one. So this was the file that was created by us. So let us just upload it. So after uploading the file that we have created, just click on commit changes. So now the file is successfully uploaded in GitHub. So this was about GitHub. So now what is the role of Git in this particular process? So now let's suppose you want to make change on this particular file. Then you can clone the whole project into your local system, and then you can make changes on it, and then you can upload it through GitHub through your VS Code. Check that process now. Okay, so for that you need to copy the part of this file. Okay, let's click on code and let's copy the https site. It is something like that, so just click on copy, and now we will clone this particular file into our local system. So for that, go to the VS Code. First of all, let's make a new folder and name it clone demos. Okay, now let's open this folder in our VS Code, clone demo. So now we will copy our repository into this folder. So let's do that. For that, we need to open the terminal. Okay, now we need to learn some git commands. For cloning, we use git clone and then the link that we have copied. So now as you can see, the demo repository is had been cloned in our local system. So let us view the this was the code that was written in that file. So it is being cloned in our system. So now we can make changes into this file, and then we can directly upload this file into our GitHub repository. Let's take one more paragraph tag. Suppose you can write this one something. Okay. Okay, so now we have updated so now if we want to upload this new file into our repository, then we need to learn some of the git commands. So now let us check the status of the code. For that we need to type git status in our terminal. Yeah, so now it is showing that modified index.html. So now we will have to add the particular changes in our file. So for that we will type a command git add all. So yeah, now let's check the status. So yeah, so it is now showing that our file is fully updated. So now let's commit to the changes. Okay, so now we have successfully committed the changes that were made in our file. So now let's upload the updated file in our GitHub repository. So for that we will type git push origin main. So yeah, our file is being successfully uploaded in our GitHub repository. In order to check our updated file, we can directly visit our GitHub repository and check the file. Yeah, so now you can see that our update is being done successfully. So this was a basic example how Git and GitHub works together. Okay, now I hope that you have learned about Git and GitHub and the differences between them. If you learned something new, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more beginner friendly tech contents. Drop your question in the comments. I would love to help. So I will meet you at my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.